Hey Snow Fighters, this is Mike Steffen, president of KAGE Innovation, and I want to talk to you guys today about a really unique kind of invention that we have made specifically for this John Deere Series P compact wheel loader that'll make you guys a lot more efficient, and this is really a game changer for the snow removal industry in terms of operating wing plows in conjunction with this loader. All right, let's check it out. So there's something very unique about the John Deere P Series loader, and there's something that they've done with the joystick that is extremely beneficial for operating multi-function attachments out on the boom. This thumb joystick that you see here activates electronic controls out on the loader, plus when you go up and down like this, it activates the hydraulic circuit. So typically, if you're operating, say, a wing plow, you have to have a button or a switch, a rocker switch, to activate the solenoid or activate one wing or the other, and then you'd have to activate the hydraulics separately. This is all with one thumb joystick, so kudos to John Deere. They have done a really nice job with this joystick. The caveat is that this controller is only set up to provide up to 3 amps. So any respectable solenoid for snowplow wings, for example, operate at least 3 amps a piece. So that excludes this function from operating any wing plows until KAGE came along and got the invention. What we have is an easy adapter that plugs into the John Deere 3-pin plug down on the loader arms, and then it goes up into the cab and you have the cigarette lighter plug here. It converts it to a 14-pin Deutsch plug, and from there you can plug in your attachment, your wing plow, or whatever else you want to operate. And then you can still use the thumb joystick that John Deere has provided, which is so slick and makes it so easy.
We're going to be operating the SnowFire Wing here. So up and down would be the regular hydraulic. And then if I want to move one of my wings, I just slide the joystick over to whichever side I want. So we'll do passenger side, so I'll go like this, and then while it's slid over, I'll bring the wing back, and then if I go all the way back down, it'll just go back to angling. It's super easy to use when plowing because it just takes a lot of the thinking out of it, and it's just right there in your finger already. So, and you only need one hand to do it.
So with this nice new adapter, one might ask, well, how do I get this for my Metal Pless plow? Well, KAGE has the answer. A simple adapter that goes onto our adapter will plug right in to that 14-pin Deutsch plug that you see there, and then these 2 DIN connectors, they're lighted, will go right onto your Metal Pless plow. And the reason we do that is because we want to make it easier for you. Not necessarily to buy the Metal Pless plow or to run those, and we'll talk about why we think we have the best wing plow out in the market now, but there are a lot of Metal Pless plows out there, and there's a lot of contractors that use them, and we want to make it easy for you. That's the KAGE Innovation way. So there you have the next game changer from KAGE Innovation.